A clean working environment and satisfied employees are indispensable benefits for every manufacturing company. The Austrian company Wimmer Hartstahl is a specialist for high-quality attachments and tools for hydraulic excavators and has now invested in an extensive measure to improve air quality using KEMPER extraction technology. To meet the requirements for clean air in the hall, the metal construction company, together with KEMPER, implemented a combination of measures consisting of local exhaust ventilation and general ventilation. In the first step, the 6 welding workstations were each equipped with a prescribed local exhaust ventilation system for directly capturing hazardous substances. In addition, Wimmer Hartstahl is using 2 KEMPER grinding tables with undertable and back wall extraction. Both grinding tables as well as the 6 extraction arms are connected to a weld-fill suction and filter unit via a central ducting system. Beside the source extraction measures, KEMPER integrated an energy-saving general ventilation system. The push-pull system operates according to the mixed ventilation principle and constantly generates a horizontal airflow in the upper area of the hall, which even filters out undetected hazardous substances from the air. Due to space restrictions, the 2 suction and filter units equipped with a special weather protection equipment were installed outdoors. The system is conveniently operated from the inside. And that's not all. Wimmer Hartstahl invested also in new workshop partitioning. KEMPER protective screens and welding protection strips at the entrance ensure that the workplaces are separated from each other.